Duda Website Builder Honest Review. Watch before using. You can find the links to Duda in the description if you want to explore it further. Duda is a website builder specifically designed for web professionals, agencies, and freelancers who need to create high-quality, responsive sites quickly. One of Duda's standout features is its focus on white labeling and collaboration tools, allowing agencies to brand the platform as their own and work with clients directly within the interface. Duda's builder is intuitive, combining drag-and-drop functionality with more advanced customization options, making it adaptable for users of various skill levels. The platform includes a wide range of pre-designed templates optimized for mobile, desktop, and tablet views, so you can be sure your website looks great on any device. Duda also excels in providing SEO tools and page speed optimization, which is essential for businesses looking to improve their search engine rankings and user experience. Other notable features include dynamic content capabilities, allowing you to create personalized experiences for site visitors based on factors like location and device type. Duda also supports e-commerce integrations, making it suitable for online stores, although it's generally better suited to small to mid-sized shops due to limited scalability in comparison to dedicated e-commerce platforms like Shopify. Duda is ideal for agencies and professionals managing multiple client sites who need a streamlined and branded environment. While it's not as flexible as open-source platforms for custom code, Duda shines with its ease of use and features tailored to client work. If you're considering a robust and agency-friendly website builder, Duda offers excellent tools for streamlined site creation and client collaboration. Don't forget to like this video if it helped, and please subscribe for more in-depth reviews and insights to help you make the best choice for your website and business needs. Thanks for watching.